Hello viewers, welcome to Scholastic Classes. So today we are going to start with electron dot structures. Electron dot structures class 10th chemistry का बहुत important topic है. So आज हम discuss करेंगे electron dot structures of ionic compounds. So let's understand first कि जब हम electron dot structures बनाते हैं तो हम किन किन चीज़ों का ध्यान रखते हैं. First thing is we should know the atomic number of the element. Second is अब हमें एटॉमिक नंबर अगर पता है तो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हम आसानी से लिख सकते हैं. एंड थर्ड इज द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मतलब जो आउटर मोस्ट शेल में इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, दोज आर कॉल्ड द वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. सो इस वीडियो में हम जो आयनिक कंपाउंड्स डिस्कस करेंगे दोज आर सोडियम क्लोराइड, मैग्नीशियम क्लोराइड, कैल्शियम ऑक्साइड एंड सोडियम ऑक्साइड. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस. सबसे पहले हम फॉर्मेशन डिस्कस करते हैं ऑफ सोडियम chloride. Now in this case sodium is a metal and chlorine is a non-metal. So ionic compounds वो compounds हैं जिनमें ionic bonds form होते हैं. Now let's understand कि ionic bonds क्या होते हैं. Ionic bonds are basically those chemical bonds which are formed by the transfer of electrons between the atoms. So यहाँ पे transfer of electrons हम देखेंगे कि कैसे हो रहा है atoms के बीच में. एंड ऑल्सो जब मेटल और नॉन मेटल रिएक्ट करते हैं तभी ट्रांसफर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन्स टेक्स प्लेस. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ द एलिमेंट. तो लेट्स सी द एटॉमिक नंबर ऑफ सोडियम इज 11 and atomic number of chlorine is 17. Now let's write the second step, which is the electronic configuration of these two elements. First is 11, so we can write it 2, 8 and 1. Chlorine is 2, 8 and 7, and third is the valence electrons. That is, we will be considering the electrons which are present in the outermost shell. Right? Now, जब हम electron dot structure लिखते हैं, so valence electron को हम dot से represent करते हैं. That is, sodium element हो गया, Na is the symbol for sodium. So जितने भी वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन है उतने डॉट्स हमें लगाने हैं. सो इन दिस केस 1, आई एम पुटिंग 1 डॉट बिकॉज वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन 1 है, राइट. देन नेक्स्ट एटम इज क्लोरीन. सो इन क्लोरीन वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर 7, so I'll put 7 dots, right. So I'm also writing the electronic configuration here. Now when sodium and chlorine combines, then transfer of electrons takes place. So in this case sodium का जो एक electron है that gets transferred to chlorine. Now sodium ने अपना एक electron lose किया है, right. So when there is loss of electron, then there is loss of one electron, so positive charge आ जाता है. So metal they generally lose electron and non-metal they gain electron. So जब loss of electron है then we put a positive sign here. So in this case यहाँ पे एक electron कम हो चुका है, so इसकी electronic configuration हो गई 2 and 8. And for chlorine it has gained 1 electron, so यहाँ पे instead of 7 dots we will be putting 8 dots. And because यहाँ पे एक electron gain किया है, so negative charge, right. Or you can write it as NaCl. Now let's understand the formation of magnesium chloride. Now the atomic number of magnesium is 12. So electronic configuration is 282. That is KLM shell में कितने electrons हैं. And then chlorine, the atomic number is 17. So it is 287. So the valence electrons is 2 and 7. So in this case you can see MgCl2, that is there are 2 chlorine atoms. So magnesium पहले हम देखते हैं. Magnesium में there are 2 valence electrons, so I am putting 2 dots here. Now second chlorine, there are 2 chlorine atoms, so हम एक chlorine ऊपर लिख लेते हैं और एक नीचे लिख लेते हैं. And then 7 valence electron in each chlorine atom. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 dots. Right. So Now there would be transfer of electrons. So you can put the arrows here. Now electronic configuration for magnesium is 282, and in this case, because there are two chlorine atoms, so we are writing 2 and then bracket mein I am writing the electronic configuration for the chlorine atom. 2 is because there are two chlorine atoms. Now let's understand magnesium को क्या हुआ. Magnesium ने 2 electrons lose किए. So when there is loss of electron, then plus लगाते हैं and 2 electrons lose हुए तो Mg2 plus. Now for chlorine, because there are two chlorine atoms, यहाँ पे इसने एक electron gain किया है. So minus sign because 1 electron gain हुआ है एक chlorine atom के लिए. Then same for the other. So इस केस में जो क्लोरीन का कॉन्फ़िगरेशन हो गया that is twice and then 2, 8, 8 और मैग्नीशियम के लिए इस केस में है 2 and 8. Right? So this is magnesium ion and this is the chloride ion. Now let's understand the electron dot structure for calcium oxide. Now for calcium the atomic number is 20 and oxygen it is 8. So electronic configuration for calcium is 2882 and for oxygen it is 26. Now calcium mein the valence electron is 2 and here the valence electron is 6. So 2 dots here with calcium and oxygen mein we have put 6 dots, that is 6 valence electron. So transfer of electron will take place. Now for calcium it has lost 2 electrons, so Ca2 plus. This has gained 2 electrons, so oxygen 2 minus. So इधर 6 dots थे, यहाँ पे 8 dots हो गए हैं, right? So इस केस में configuration यहाँ पे 2, 8, 8, 2 थी. Now 2 electron they are lost, so it is 2, 8, 8, and in this case it is 2, 8 because there is gain of 2 electrons. So यहाँ 2, 6 था, now it has become 2, 8. Right? So exam में जो आपको questions मिलते हैं, that is either it will be a direct question, draw the electron dot structure for calcium oxide, or it can be show the formation of calcium oxide by the transfer of electrons. So it can be the either way. So next we are going to make the electron dot structure for sodium oxide. Now for sodium we have already discussed the atomic number is 11. So the electronic configuration is 281. And for oxygen we have already done in the previous example, it is 8, so it is 2 and 6. So 6 and 1 are the valence electrons. So the dot structure will be Na, because now here there are 2 sodium atoms. So I am writing sodium, that is Na twice here in this way, and then oxygen it has 6 valence electrons. So ये transfer of electron will take place and Na plus and oxygen, right? So this is a sodium ion and this is an oxide ion. So sodium 2 है, इसीलिए हमने यहाँ अलग separate बनाया है इसको, and oxygen it will become 2, 8, and for here it will be just 2, 8, 1. It was 2, 6, so twice. Now here it is 2, 8, और because 2 sodium atom से अब sodium ion बन चुका है. So this is the structure for sodium oxide. So in exam you can get the question like show the formation of sodium oxide by the transfer of electrons. So this was our 4th example. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.